So these little mailboxes are from Dollar Tree. I'm just taking some lightweight spackle and a star tip and putting some frosting on the top. And I'm making a little cupcake. I got this mold on Etsy like 10 years ago. I still always use it. I don't know if they even still have it. You'd have to look for cupcake mold on Etsy. And then I'm just gonna add some fake candies. This is always the hardest part for me. It's like, what do I put on there? And everything looks so cute, so. I actually decided to swap this one out because it's way more Valentine's-y. And I decided I wanted some fake cherry sauce on there. This is just puffy paint. These are just some fake nonpareils. And then a little fake heart candy. I'm adding some glitter. And then, yeah, these are not gonna be used functionally. Well, I guess decor is a function, right? They are functional. Well, they're not functional though. But I just doubt that anybody is really collecting Valentines. So you get a little surprise when you open the door, you get a little bear in there. So again, I'm just repeating that with the red one. Just do a little bit different candies. Another cupcake. This time pink candies. And a little pink bear. The bears I got at Walmart. So I decided I wanted to do more because of course I've just got to do more stuff in there. So I'm just putting in some lightweight spackle down there and some fake sprinkles and the little letters. And of course my bear is dry, so I can't remove it and do the spackle properly. These little letters are from Hobby Lobby. Now it's awfully dark in there, so I took these little lights from Dollar Tree and I put some sticky glue dots on them. And I'm gonna place them right up here. Just use a lot of glue dots. And yes, you'll be able to pull it out easily and change the batteries or turn it on and off. I'll show you the on and off in a second. And then I'm just gonna mess with the lights and wire until I get them where I want them. I tucked that one over there. I did put some glue dots right there on the wall of the mailbox. And then I'm gonna leave these lights kind of tangled like this because it is a long strand. And this is a very small space. So I'm just gonna kind of wrap them around the bear. And then see, you can turn it on and off, just like that. So here's the completed mailboxes. I would love to know which one is your favorite and if you're gonna try this project. Thank you for watching, bye.